With the ever-increasing popularity of high-efficiency fluorescent lighting, it's more important than ever to understand best practices for lamp disposal and other hazardous waste. Fluorescent lamps contain anywhere from 5 to 50 milligrams of mercury, an essential component in the efficient production of visible light. This drop of mercury is contained inside the lamp throughout its effective life, and can only be released if the lamp is broken. It is estimated that nearly 100% of the 600 million lamps sent to landfills and incinerators each year are broken, amounting to 30,000 pounds of mercury waste. The mercury vapors emitted during improper disposal are released in the air and can travel over 200 miles. Mercury and its vapor is highly toxic to the human nervous system and particularly poisonous to the kidneys. Because of its harmful effects on people and the environment, the EPA recommends recycling all spent lamps. In many states, legislation has been passed banning mercury-containing lamps from solid waste landfills. Fortunately, there are solutions available that are both cost-effective and easy to use. EasyPak is a unique line of products suitable for facilities of any size, from a local mom-and-pop store to a 100,000-square-foot warehouse. Each container is UN approved for the transport of hazardous waste, including fluorescent lamps, ballasts, batteries, electronics, and thermostats. All containers come with a polybag lining and secure seal to ensure the proper storage and containment of the waste. When the recycling container arrives at your facility, it can be unpacked and set up for use in a matter of minutes. Each container comes complete with proper labeling and printed instructions in English and Spanish, guiding you through each step of the process. EasyPak containers can be filled and returned immediately, or waste can be collected in the container as it is accumulated. Once the container has been filled to capacity, it is sealed for return shipment. Lamp recycling boxes are sealed for shipment using a thick polybag liner and an extra-strength adhesive. Buckets are securely sealed using a life latch lid. Pickups can be scheduled over the phone or online using a dedicated FedEx hotline or www.fedex.com. Shipments are usually picked up same day and delivered to the recycling center within 3 to 5 business days. Once at the facility, the waste in each container is processed accordingly. Spent fluorescent lamps are removed from the EasyPak container and fed into a specialized machine for lamp recycling. Once in the system, the operating conditions meet even the toughest environmental standards. The entire process is fully automatic and contained, preventing mercury from being released into the environment. Exhaust air is constantly discharged through the internal carbon filters. The phosphor powder is separated in different steps from the byproducts. The mercury-bearing powder is collected in distiller barrels beneath the cyclone and the self-cleansing dust filters. The clean glass is transferred into large storage dumpsters. Aluminum end caps are separated and stored as well. This mercury-bearing powder is then retorted to drive the mercury out of the powder. At the end of the process, the glass, metal end caps, powder, and mercury can all be reused. Once the materials have been fully processed by the recycling facility, an official certificate of recycling will be produced for record keeping. Obtaining a certificate is proof of compliance with all state and federal EPA regulations and a guaranteed way to avoid fines and enforcement actions which can easily exceed the cost of lamp recycling. Lamp recycling plays an important role in protecting the environment and achieving sustainability goals, primarily in the reuse of natural resources and responsible handling of hazardous waste. During the life cycle of a lamp, the cost to recycle is less than 1% of the cost of ownership. Implementing a lamp recycling program is a simple, affordable, and responsible objective for any facility.